The information contained in this video is not financial advice, and a failure to correctly utilize the processes outlined and networks used can result in the permanent loss of your crypto. Don't be an idiot. Follow the steps as given.
Are you a small miner like me, slaving away on the daily on the Ethermine pool, trying to just earn what you mined, but then when you get your payout, you have to pay it all just for gas? Because somebody wanted to buy pictures on the internet that they own the rights to? What if I told you there's a better way?
Keep your money in a wallet. Don't keep it loose in your pocket. Keep losing, gotta stop it. Keep your money in a wallet. Don't keep it loose in your pocket. Grab your keys, you might drop it. I've got this feeling. Money means a lot.
Alright, so first and foremost, we're going to get started by installing Metamask. So we're going to go to metamask.io, and we're going to click on the Download Now button. This will bring up a page where we'll have a couple different options. We can download for Chrome, iOS, or Android. This works on any Chromium browser. I'll do an Android video later. Click on the Add to Chrome button, and it'll come up with a permission to add the extension. Go ahead, do so, it'll install it, and it'll pop out a new screen to create your MetaMask account. You'll want to click on the Yes, Let's Get Set Up, and click Create a Wallet, and you can get started on doing that. Please make sure you read this information. It is important. Go ahead and agree to it, and then create a password, which unfortunately has a minimum of 8 characters, which isn't super secure for crypto, but you do you. And of course, then read and agree to the terms of use. I'm totally going to read those, and click Create. Now, MetaMask is going to offer you to watch a video about securing your wallet. I mean, you're watching this video, that's good enough, right? And then it's going to ask you to create a secret backup phrase. So this is a 12-word mnemonic. You will need to write this down. You can copy it into a text file, shove it in Google Drive. That's not really a safe option. I do recommend writing this down on a sheet of paper, which I'm going to do now. And then I'm going to re-enter my backup phrase after I've written it down, which, as you can see, due to the clever cuts and editing that I've put into this video, I've already done, and I will click all of the buttons in the correct order the first time because I wrote it down, and then click confirm. And of course, you're ready to go. It's just that simple to create your account. I do want to take a brief moment here to let people know that there are some issues with Ledger support on MetaMask. So if you are using a Ledger cold wallet, please make sure you read this. So now we're going to set up our miner. Click on the account entry at the top, and this will copy your address to a clipboard. Edit the batch file that you're going to use for your miner. I'm going to use NB miner with the unlock because this is on my 3080 Ti unit, and just slap that in there over whatever the default happens to be. Edit it. Change the name, whatever. Again, this is the mining guide portion, so you'll want to be directing your mining to this MetaMask wallet. It doesn't matter if you're mining into the Ethereum or Polygon wallet, they have the same address. Go ahead and load up that miner and get her started, because you'll want to be earning those rewards into Polygon as quickly as you possibly can. Alright, so with our miner online and ready to go, we're going to connect MetaMask to the Ethermine dashboard. So go to Ethermine and go ahead and search for your miner address that you just created at the top. It doesn't matter if it's actually registering it yet. You can still make these changes. Click on Settings, go to Payment Method, and we're going to be changing this to L2 Polygon Matic. To do so, we're going to connect our wallet, so click Connect Wallet, and then select MetaMask. You can use Wallet Connect, but that's another video. Once you click MetaMask, it'll come up with a approval window on the right. Go ahead and click Next. You'll see a lot of these using MetaMask, and go ahead and click Connect. And then it will connect the two. You'll see that the MetaMask icon has come up at both the top right and where we clicked Connect to Wallet, and then we save it, and it's going to come up with another signing window to save those changes. We have now saved so that we will be using L2 Polygon as our payout method on Ethermine. Alright, here's the meat and the potatoes, and this is where people make the most mistakes. We need to connect Polygon to Metamask. So don't forget to do this part. Click where it says Ethereum mainnet on the drop down there, and you're going to go down to custom RPC. We're going to add Polygon to Metamask. So you're going to type in something like Polygon mainnet or Polygon official RPC. The RPC URL is https://polygon-rpc.com. Chain ID is 137. Currency symbol is capital MATIC. And the block explorer, if you're curious, is https://polygonscan.com. Click it in just like that, click save, and move forward. It'll be added to your network list, and you'll see that it automatically changed that network. Metamask functions on multiple networks, and in this case, we are going to be using the Polygon mainnet for the vast majority of everything we do. By default, you'll have one token visible, which is, of course, the default token, MATIC. Now, obviously, we're going to want to use more tokens than just MATIC, so what you're going to do is open up a new tab, and you're going to go to wallet.matic.network, and this will bring you to the actual MATIC wallet. You can connect to it by clicking Metamask. Of course, it's going to bring up one of these signature windows yet again. Go ahead, click Next, and it will take you into the MATIC wallet, and you'll have to sign it as well. Now, the MATIC wallet is where all of your crypto on Polygon actually lives. Now, to be able to actually see these tokens in Metamask, you're going to have to add them. Click on the three dots on the right beside any token you want. In this case, I'm going to select WETH or Wrapped Ethereum. Click Add to Metamask. Click through the signing window that will, of course, appear, and go back into your Metamask wallet, and you'll see that Ethereum is now visible. This is important because when you earn through the pool, you will receive wrapped Ethereum, and you won't be able to see it unless you add this. If you don't have any MATIC in your account to begin with, you're going to need some. Go to the Mac and Cheese Finance link below and grab a couple portions of MATIC. These are essential to funding your transaction in most instances, and you can top up almost every day if you need to. If you're using Ethermine's Polygon Payout system, they will give you some MATIC automatically with each WETH payment, so you can skip this part. You'll need to enter your Polygon address to receive some MATIC. Just go back into MetaMask, click on your account, and it'll automatically copy it to the clipboard, and then paste it into this field below. You'll have to solve a CAPTCHA, which we all love, and then they will send you some MATIC. If you can accept it. If you have MATIC in your wallet already, that will refuse to send it to you. So this is typically the part of the video where people say, okay, so I got this money in Polygon, how do I get it out? And I got good news. I got 2 videos about how to do that for less than $1 in most instances, and only about 7 cents a lot of the time. But the one thing you don't want to do is use oh, the humanity! That said, Polygon isn't just a means to an end. While it's extremely good at getting things out cheap, you can also use it for things like QuickSwap. There are DEXs that exist within Polygon, so that's a decentralized exchange that allow you to swap tokens. You can approve it and add it to the system. All these dApps exist on their own sites, but they connect through MetaMask to the wallet, and you can use this to swap to different tokens. I can take my ETH, and I can swap it to MATIC, or I can swap it to any other ERC20 token that is hosted within the DEX. I can go to a place like sushi.com to SushiSwap, which does the same thing, but possibly for a different price, and again, allows me to swap tokens on the Polygon network for a fraction of a penny. It is so incredibly cheap to do things here. I can go to AAVE and I can stake my Ethereum that I mine, and I can earn more Ethereum in various projects by adding them to AAVE and using their Polygon integration to earn more money. There are many videos, and maybe I'll make one as well, on how to maximize your returns on the various different Polygon projects that are available. You've got Beefy Finance, you've got Gravity Finance, you've got AFK. I just recommend going to defiprime.com/Polygon and taking a look at all of the different projects that you can participate in on the L2 system. I hope we all learned something today. If you do decide to use Polygon Payouts on Ethermine to save your hard-earned Ethereum, please consider watching some of my other videos on how to best get tokens out of Polygon. It's a great place for them to be. The DeFi is fantastic, but it can be expensive if you use the bridge. Don't use the bridge.